Grandpa, why do you sit under this tree every day?
Because this tree has been my friend for many years.
A friend? But it's only a tree.
Not every friend speaks with words, my son.
Our students seem to memorize lessons, but many still struggle to understand the concepts.
Maybe we should use more practical examples in classroom activities.
That's a great idea. Practical demonstrations will make learning easier.
Exactly. When students participate, they remember and understand better.
Right. All you need to do is to go to Google and search for Wistar AI. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see a lot of Wistar. You're going to see a lot of them. Okay, so you just have to pay attention to the logo so that you're going to get the right logo, right? So this is the right logo here. The first one, I don't know if it's going to be the first one for you. Okay, so once you come here, ensure put your phone on desktop mode. So for you to put your phone on desktop mode, all you need to do is to just look above here. You see these three lights? Tap on it. Look down to where it says, you can see this one that is ticked, desktop site. Mine is ticked. That is why I can see my own like this. Just ensure your own is ticked so that you can be able to see everything in the interface of the website very well. Okay, so once you log into the website, this is what the interface looks like. Okay, now upon signing up, you're going to be given 300 credits, guys. In this website, you can literally access Seedance 1.5, Seedance 2.0, free of charge, Kling AI, free of charge, okay? And you're going to be getting 60 credits every day you log into this amazing website, guys. That's a lot. That's a lot. In the last video I did about getting Grok AI for free, I talked about how you can actually get emails, temporary emails you can use to log into any website. Okay? You can use it to log into, for example, you have a website, you start creating your videos and you run out of credit. You can literally, instead of start looking for how to create fresh emails to log in and continue your work, you can quickly generate a temporary email that you can actually use to log in. You can generate up to 20 to 50 temporary emails. And with that, you can create up to 20-minute video, unlimited. You can check out that last video. I made a video about how to get Grok AI for free. It's right there on my channel. I showed how you can actually create temporary emails, guys. Okay, so if you also want me to do a tutorial of how to create temporary emails that you can use to be logging and continuing your work without your credit being limited, you can drop at the comment section. I'll be happy to do that video. Okay, but for now, another way you can also get more credit is to use your existing emails. You can also decide to create more emails and you are good to go. Okay, and like I said, upon signing up, you're going to be getting 300 credits. Every day when you log into the website, you're going to be getting 60 credits. Okay, so I've done a couple of things on this website. The videos you watched, I did it on this website. So that's actually to tell you that it's working. So if you come to the left-hand side here, let me zoom it so you can see very well. Okay, this place that says Wistar, ask to log in. So this is basically, I've actually logged out of the website I was working before. So once you get into the website, you need to first of all log in, locate the login page and then log in with an email to continue. Now, after signing in, your interface is going to look like this. Okay, so you're going to see something like this that pops up. Just cancel. Okay. Let me show you the free credits. If you scroll down, you can see you literally have 300 free credits here. Okay. So let me walk you around the website. If you come to this left-hand side, you can literally do your avatar. You can do your voice. You can clone your voice here, everything. There's a lot of things you can do on this website. Amazing. So if you click on tools here, it's going to bring you to this interface, where you're going to see video reference, you're going to see video translation, lip sync. Yes, you can lip sync your video here, digital human. You're going to see product video. You can literally do product advert videos here. And then you're going to see video generator, guys, Seedance 2.0. Can you see it? Let me zoom it very well so you can see it. Seedance 2.0 guys, Seedance 2.0 guys. Okay, so for you to get started, just click on this one that says video generator. So if you click on it, it's going to bring you to this interface like this. You're going to see image to video and you're going to see text to video. Okay, so you can literally scroll like this, scroll like this. So once your video starts generating, if you scroll to this place like this, you're going to be seeing your work here. Okay, so I'm just going to, so let's do something. We're going to be doing, should we do image to video? Should we do image to video? So I think we're going to go to ChatGPT right now, so we can get something from ChatGPT. Okay, so this is my ChatGPT. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT, I'm going to be sending a voice note to ChatGPT right now so you can actually listen to what I'm saying. Just pay attention. Hi ChatGPT, I'm currently doing a tutorial. So I want you to give me a dialogue prompt between a teacher in a secondary school classroom and another teacher. Yes, another teacher. Okay, they're actually discussing on how they can actually they are discussing on the best method they can use to teach the students so they can understand better. Okay, so just give me 8-second conversation between the both of them. It should be like two scenes, and each of the scenes should have an image prompt. Okay, just give me image prompt for the two scenes. So I've just sent a prompt to ChatGPT and this is what ChatGPT came up with. You can see dialogue. Our students seem to memorize lessons, but many still struggle to understand the concept. Teacher 2, maybe we should use more practical examples and classroom activities. Okay, so this is a dialogue conversation. And if you also want to learn how to create dialogue videos, this is how to do it. Okay, so now this is the image prompt. It said a realistic secondary school classroom in Africa, 2 professional teachers standing beside a whiteboard during break time, discussing teaching strategies. Students are seated in the background, reviewing their notes. Bright classroom, educational posters on the wall, natural daylight through windows, realistic photography style, high detail professional atmosphere, 10 by 9 as for a show. So I'm just going to copy this image from. I'll copy this image from. We are going to be creating our image in ChatGPT. Yes, if you don't know, you can actually create your image in ChatGPT. And this is another way you can actually minimize your credits, okay? We're going to be doing our video in Whisper AI using Seedance 2.0 or Seedance 1.5, okay? And we are going to be creating our image in ChatGPT. So this image prompt I copied, I'm also going to paste this in ChatGPT here. And okay, I'll paste this in ChatGPT here, and then ChatGPT is going to create it for me. Just watch and see. You see, ChatGPT is creating the image for us. We are going to wait for ChatGPT to be done creating the image. And once ChatGPT is done creating the image, we're going to take it to Whisper AI. That is another way to maximize your credit. Okay, so our major emphasis is to create a video on Whisper AI using Seedance 2.0, guys. You can use Kling AI. You can see 3.1. While we're waiting for our video to create, let me show you something. Let me show you the models available here. So if you click on this place that says model, Kling 3.0 Omni. So you can see these are all the models available. You can see Kling 3.0 Omni, Kling 3.0, Seedance 1.5, Seedance 2.0. They literally just introduced this Seedance 2.0 on the website, and they are allowing you to use it for free, guys. For free. Okay, and we're going to be using that. Now, the number of credits you use for Seedance 1.5 and the one you use for Seedance 2.0 is quite different. Okay, so I will leave you to actually know the one you're going to be using. If you're using up to 20 credits for Seedance 2.0, you're going to be using at least 18 credits for Seedance 1.5. That's literally the difference. Let's check if our image is ready in ChatGPT. So guys, you can see our image is ready. Just tap on it. Tap on it and click on this place right here to download. So we are going to download it and then we are going to copy the dialog. So this is the dialog here. We are going to copy the dialog. You copy from dialog above here. So I've just copied my prompt and then I'll head over to Waster AI. You see where they wrote click and drop. Okay. Just tap on it to lead you to your gallery, and this is the picture. I just selected it and then it will start loading. Okay, so this is the prompt session. All I need to do is to just paste my prompt here. Okay, so once I paste my prompts, I'm going to get to the models. These are the models available. Kling AI, select Seedance 2.0. Okay, I've just selected Seedance 2.0. Now, once you select the model you want, just scroll down, look down. You're going to see where you can select your aspect ratio and your resolutions. Okay. Okay, so click on it and then I'll select 16:9 because this is a YouTube tutorial. This is where you can actually choose the duration of your video. Okay, so you can just drag it to the level you want it to be. I think I'm going to be leaving this one as 7 seconds and you're going to be using 77 credits if it is up to 7 seconds, right? Okay, so you also need to choose your resolution. If you choose a 720 resolution, it's going to be higher. So I'm just going to leave it at 480 resolution. It will still give you the same thing. So basically, the settings you choose, you can see it has reduced. When I choose 480p, the settings you choose will determine the number of credits you're going to use. You can see it has reduced to 44. The more you reduce, the more credit is going to be reduced. Okay, so basically choose what can actually make you to maximize your credits. Okay, so I'm just going to leave it at 6 seconds and that means we're going to be making use of 66 credits. So just tap on it to generate and it will start generating. Okay, and once it starts generating, just scroll to the right hand side. You're going to see it is in queue already. Okay, a lot of persons are using the website because of how amazing and free it is. So you're going to be seeing queue. You're going to be seeing queue. So just be patient and it will load. Trust me, you're going to like it. Okay, so while our video is in queue or while it is being generated, we're going to go back to ChatGPT and generate another image. We'll generate the image for scene 2. So this is our image prompt for scene 2. I'll copy it and still paste it in ChatGPT so ChatGPT can generate the image for us. So we don't even need to generate another one because it is still the same scene. We're going to be using the same image. You get? We're going to be using the same image. I'll just copy the dialog prompt for scene 2. That's a great idea. Practical demonstrations will make learning easier. Exactly. When students participate, they remember and understand better. Okay, let's see if our video is in progress. So guys, our video is ready. Let me play it. So before you play it, just scroll to the right hand and then turn on this audio.
Classroom activity. Our students seem to memorize lessons, but many still struggle to understand the concepts.
Maybe we should use more practical examples in classroom activity.
Our students seem to memorize lessons, but many still struggle to understand the concepts.
Maybe we should use more practical examples in classroom activity.
Our students seem to memorize.
Guys, can you see that? Can you see? So for you to download this, just click on this icon below here and download. So it's going to come with watermark. If you click on download, it's going to show you no watermark. Just toggle it off. Okay, if you toggle it off, if you click on no watermark here, you're going to pay for it. But if As since we are doing it for free, you just have to toggle it off so that you can be able to download with watermark. You can always crop it out. Our video is downloaded. I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT and copy our second dialogue. Okay, I'll copy our second dialogue and come over to Whisper AI.
The concepts.
Maybe we
Okay, so I'll still click here and then select the same people again and then input my prompt here. Then I'll come down here to select my model. This time around, I'll be selecting 1.5, Seedance 1.5. So we can see how it is. Can compare the resolutions. So I'll scroll down and then select my aspect ratio and my duration. I'll select 16:9 and then I'll increase the duration to 8 seconds, 480p. And then now it will be generating at with 56 credits. Hit generate.
Well, good.
So let's come back to the left hand side here. So our video is in queue. So this is how you keep doing it until you are done generating your video. So guys, our video is ready. Let me play it.
exactly. When students participate, they remember and understand better.
That's a great idea. Practical demonstrations will make learning easier.
Exactly. When students participate, they remember and understand better.
That's a great idea.
Can you see that, guys? So I'm just going to download it. So what do you think about this? Remember, you're going to be giving 300 credit upon signing up, 60 credits every day you log into the website, and you can use your temporary emails. If you enjoyed this video, do well to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new videos, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.